Welcome to Gold and Silver Mining Update with Smart Stock Trading. As of December 16, 2025, gold and silver have delivered one of the strongest rallies in decades, driven by industrial demand, persistent supply deficits, and safe haven buying. Gold trades around $4,320, while silver has hit a new all-time high of $66 per ounce today and is currently trading at $65.63. It has more than doubled year to date due to solar, EV, and electronics demand. The general consensus about silver is that the prices are going to be above like $100 range in short term. There are some analysts which warning of a potential multi-year bear market ahead, but the near-term momentum remains bullish amid record highs. Let's talk about major mining company highlights. So, leading gold producers like Newmont, Agnico Eagle, and Barrick Gold maintained strong output in 2025, with Agnico Eagle guiding 3.3 to 3.5 billion ounces. Key developments include activist pressure at Barrick and steady production amid soaring prices. Silver giants benefited hugely. Pan American Silver completed the MAG Silver acquisition, boosting its portfolio. Fresnillo and Hecla reported high-grade reserves. First Majestic ramped production significantly. Now let's talk about top performing micro cap silver stocks that I have been following for several years, and I also hold some of most of those stocks. I don't just post video to share my opinion on what I have, but there are, other than those, the one that are mentioned, actually I have talked about maybe more than like about 20 stocks so far, and which include small penny stocks and also some very very good companies, including Abra Silver, Vizsla Silver, Santa Cruz Silver Mining, Equity Metals. Some of these companies that I've talked about right now have seen more than 300% gains during the last in 2025, but there are still many companies that are undervalued, I would say. The one that I have covered in my videos lately are Rio Silver. Okay, so yeah, it has gained 400%, more than 400% this year. And then we have this Honey Badger Silver, which gained like 59%. Okay, about 60%. We see here in the chart that from the starting price, right? It was, the year was started 12%. Yes, like about 60%, and it saw a peak in this 30 cents range in September. So a lot of these companies saw a peak like few months ago, and then have gone through consolidation, and I'm expecting these to be making new highs soon. But of course the whole sector will not go high, see its highest price in this at the same time. So because market makers are like controlling these, so I would say maybe the price swings, or if it may not be just the market maker, maybe it just depends on the people interest, because people do have all the insider knowledge and the information. They keep moving their money around from the best companies to companies to the the one that are underperforming. So but that needs expert knowledge to do that. Otherwise, doing research and doing research and holding a company for long term is a best strategy, until we see a sign that silver has reached its seasonal peak. And when we see that point, that let's say, for example, when still it's in the bullish mode, today it hit $66, but and people are anticipating it to go like cross $100, maybe $200, nobody knows. But we have to keep an eye on the silver prices and the silver mining sector. Like exiting too early will also not be a strategy, but we have to just watch the price. And when and also it depends on personal targets. Some people like to take a small profit. Some people would just expect to have like 100% to 500% return. So that depends on individual strategy and also the entry point. So there are many things, depends on individual level. So it's not like one strategy will not fit, will not be suitable for everyone. So everybody has their own strategy. But anyway, doing the research is the best thing. Just do the research before buying any stocks, and we should know why we are buying stocks and what's the reason. So the main driver behind buying all the silver mining companies these days, because silver mining companies at the moment are still much undervalued compared to the silver prices. Like for example, the cost of production. I don't know. I have to get the data, but it the compared to the silver prices, most companies who are producing are going to be very profitable. Companies that are still trading as the silver was trading in $30 range, and even though silver has like more than doubled from that price, these companies, mining companies, especially the micro cap ones, haven't seen that kind of gain. So we are still expecting them to go reach, show that gain based on the current silver prices. And so if the silver keeps moving higher, we can see much higher prices. So is this bull run is like very much like the bull run in 2008 to 2011 bull run, and we saw another in 2016. So it's going to be like this. So expect very volatile prices and volatility. There will be big consolidation, and I'm seeing recently that huge like consolidation. Even the top stocks have been consolidating from their recent lows. I would not say multi-year low, but like say monthly lows. Once they reach that price, still a lot of companies have making 52-week high and then consolidating in the next few days, like 50%, losing 50% of their short-term gain. So this is happening. And the reason it's happening because people are taking profit, people are moving their money around. And like there are lots of traders also involved, and that is causing these high volumes on these stocks. Especially not all stocks are having high volume, but there are many which are having like daily like millions of share being traded on daily basis. So that's the reason. So anyway, we will just go back to this thing. So we talked about honey badger silver. Now next, let's see. So we what I'm saying, we are anticipating more higher prices because silver is still like looks like silver is unstoppable, and these companies which are undervalued will catch up. So and then we have Orex. Let's talk about Orex mineral. Okay, I don't know, let me pull the chart here. Okay, so that's the Orex mineral. So yeah, Orex mineral is like 46%, close to 46% from it's like year since the beginning of the 2025. and it also has gone through consolidation, and it looks like now I'm seeing this daily chart. It looks like it's going in the uptrend, upward direction. Momentum is like positive for these, and so expect more, the price to be going higher. Okay. So yeah, this was the peak in August and September. That was 28.5 cent. Okay, that was for Orex Mineral. Okay, so the next one is Klondike Silver. Klondike Silver gained 25% this year, and is still like in this sideways movement. And in 2020, which was the year 2020, yeah, in I would say maybe 5-year chart. Okay, maybe all time chart, I don't know. This was like in 2021, saw a big surge, huge surge in prices during this 2021 bull run, and it hit like 33.5 cents. But now, this year it has been just staying in this low range, and currently it is still trading at 2.5 cents. So but like year to date gain, like 2025 gain is around 25%. Okay, and yeah, so we can expect this kind of surge, and I'm wondering why it is still low even though the project is good. Okay, next take a look at Decade Resources. Decade Resources is also has similar like pattern like Klondike Silver. This year it has just gained 12.5%, and the volumes are still not very, like building up on Decade Resources, but and I'm waiting for it to be, I'm waiting for it to be at least in this area, like 20, not even, if not like 68 cents like in 2020, and we never know, the way once it start moving, it just looks like it's forming this triangular base pattern, and once it breaks out it would hit the 68, but it could be like, it could hit this like in few months. Let's say if it start now, it could hurt in the maybe next few months, it could go to 68, but I will be even happy with this 26.5 cents price target. So I'm still still have hope that it will catch up on. Okay, so we in among these stocks, I also talked about Rio Silver. I don't know if I can see it here. Yeah, Rio Silver. So Rio Silver has gained a lot this year. It's like 400%. It just Rio led dramatically on limited liquidity and project upside. Okay, and we has seen 400%. So we can see you can notice the same pattern. See, it was like this triangle, like consolidation pattern, and then it broke out, and once it breaks out, it will go like this. Okay, so other two stocks, the Decade and KKS, Klondike Silver, that are still like low, and some other having trading at their lowest, like I would say low range, haven't broken out this pattern, their consolidation pattern. So it will do, because people will, I think people have too many too many options, too many stocks to choose from. So still it hasn't grabbed investors' attention, but it would, I believe. Okay, so and then we talked about honey badger silver also. Okay, decade resources. So now let's see, compare the prices of these companies is just all in one, go. So first, I will say that these companies that we have talked about, they show strong leverage to $66+ silver price, and I'm hoping for higher silver prices, so we can hope even higher return depending, depending on the silver price. Potential returns could amplify if the prices rise further via drilling successes or production restarts, but there is a risk. Okay, risk of dilution and execution is still there. Oryx mineral is symbol is REX.V. Market cap is 6.9 million Canadian dollar. It has gained 6.46% year to date. It sold Coneto Silver Gold project to Silver Viper in late 2025 for portfolio refocus. Okay, so it offers high silver, and there is re-rating potential. So we are seeing Oryx mineral, and we see that it still is in its low price range. Let's say in 2021 it was like, this is like post consolidation price, but it's still, we can see this pattern, bottom triangle pattern. Okay, so yeah, it will, once it starts spiking from this bottom, it will be very fast, like you can see in the previous rallies. Okay, the next one is equity metal symbol EQTY.V. Its market cap is 68 million Canadian dollar. Year to date, it has gained 103%. It has extended high grade veins at Silver Queen, BC, with hits like 540 gram per ton silver equivalent over 3.5 meter. Drills, they're still drilling and working on financing. We have Decade Resources Limited, symbol DEC.V. Its market cap is 6.9 million Canadian dollar, and as I discussed, it has gained 12.5% year to date, and it has been the lowest performers. It didn't have any catalyst in the high price environment, but anyway, I feel like it is going to catch up. Okay, and then we have Honey Badger Silver's current market cap is $20 million, and it has gained 59% year to date. And the key driver for this one, Honey Badger Silver, is strategic acquisitions and consolidations. It is well positioned for discovery upside. Then we have Bayhorse Silver. Okay, so Bayhorse Silver has a market cap of 42 million Canadian dollar. Year to date gain around 50%. Okay, so it advanced Bayhorse Mine, Idaho, with ore sorting, antimony leaching, and it also has critical metals is a bonus for this company, and also offtake expansions. So it's a good one. Has made since August 2025. It has been going having big swings, but overall it gained 50% this year. And of course we will see big swings, consolidation, and then there is still potential. As long as silver keeps going higher, these mining companies sooner or later are going to see their see big gains. So next we have Rio Silver. Okay, Rio Silver's, as I talked before, has gained like 400%. Okay, and it has 20 million market cap is 20 million Canadian dollar. It has seen massive gains because of market momentum. Yeah, there is one thing that I talked before. It has a strong insider holding. So even though this is not like heavily traded stocks, but the reason I think it's like people are holding it, like insider holding, not much, not much available for sale. Okay, and that's one of the reason that is has like gained like 400%. Okay, so just people who have it, most of them are holding the stocks. Okay, so next one we have Klondike Silver is still has gained like its market is Klondike symbol is KS.V. Okay, and its market cap is approximately 6.7 million Canadian dollar. It has gained 25% in 2025. It has early stage assets, but we never know, like when the silver is heating up, it will I would expect it will see again gains like in 2021. Okay, so if we see this kind of gain, which is like at least 10 times from here, but maybe it will just be the last the one like these ones that are like under like 5 cents stocks, they will be the last one to run, but when they run, they will run very fast and have a huge like return in short term. Okay, yeah, so we have to be aware of these kind of patterns and take advantage once it reaches that kind of price. Okay, and everybody has different strategy for realizing their gains. Okay, some people want to take 10% profit, some people want to take 500%. So it depends from person to person. Okay, next we have Southern Silver Exploration. That has been a huge, Southern Silver Exploration since its 2020, like this year in 2025, it's like more than 250% return. Okay, its current market cap is 247 million dollars in Canadian dollar. It has high grade intercepts at Cariolas Minitas, Mexico project. It has acquired new claims and multiple financings. Okay, next we have Silver Storm Mining. Silver Storm symbol is SVRS .V. Silver Storm's market cap is 307 million Canadian dollar, and year to date it has gained like 361%, around 360%, and it's restarting La Perla complex with Samsung offtake financing and rehabilitation. Like quite bullish, but I think there is still more room to grow, because we see the prices here. These peaks in 2011, peak when silver was 2011 silver was $30. Okay, this peak here was for $30 silver, so it should be at least, if 65 cent was the peak for at $30 silver, what can we expect? It should be double. It's like more than $1, so means that it has still a huge room to grow. Okay, then we have this another stock which we have talked about before is Brixton Metals. The symbol is BBB. Okay, and currently is trading in the 7-cent range. Okay, and they have recently they have drill results at Trapper Gold Target. It has a multi metal exposure. It has gold, silver, and copper resources. Okay, and then last one in my list for now is GR Silver Mining. The symbol is GRSL. Its market cap currently is 151 million Canadian dollar. It has seen year-to-date gain in 2025 gain, like 1 year gain is 83%, and that has high grade intercept and sand marshal. It has gained, like huge financings, and also enhanced its leadership, like team. Okay, so that's about silver miners that I have covered before, and that's the latest update on these minings and the potential price targets. You just need to see that silver was need to see what silver was, when silver was $30, what were their prices, and now silver is 65, so what should it be? Just a simple thing to understand, to consider. Okay, let's talk about broad, like compared to what other things are doing, other indices are doing, compared to what silver. So we have covered gold is trading in $4,000 range, $4,300 range, and the price for usually the target for gold, near-term target for gold, most people are expecting it to hit $5,000, and it depends. Some some are, in short term, maybe in a month, or in the next maybe 2-3 months. Bitcoin used to be the top asset until last year, but this year silver has, I've seen, silver looks like has outperformed Bitcoin's performance, and I am hearing that people who were invested in Bitcoin and crypto, because they are seeing all these huge movement in silver sector, so say the smart money is moving to silver and silver mining sector, but it still is not that much, because if it's like this, we will see much bigger swings in silver mining companies, but maybe this information is right. And you can see that crypto is not gaining as much as it used to be, used to do that. So it's like behaving like a tech stock. Okay, so it's like correlated with tech sector performance. Okay, so but who knows, it might shift, but for now, I'm just for comparison purpose. Otherwise, I am like a precious metal person, so mostly in precious metal and precious metal stocks. Of course, for diversification purpose, I had some little bit, I would say, compared to my silver mining portfolio. But it's not doing great so far. We can say that crypto is still showing resilience in this $87,000 range, amid precious metal strength. Major equity indices show mixed performance late in the year, influenced by rate cut expectations, job data, and profit taking after rallies. So we can see that precious metal, especially silver, outperformed many traditional assets in 2025. So, which means that this silver rally creates huge opportunities in junior silver mining sector. But the thing is, we have to be, we have to keep in mind that there it will be volatile. This ride is going to be very, very volatile. So we just need to be having be able to digest all these big swings in prices. Okay. And also it's the best strategy is to do due diligence before buying any stocks or any investment. Do the research. Don't just buy anything or invest in anything based on some videos or somebody talking about it. Just do your own research, because it's your money. Okay, so that's why you need to do research. Okay, and that's it for now, and I hope to see you with a new video soon. But because I mentioned in my earlier videos that I may not be able to post videos frequently, especially as long as my treatment is continuing. I have to focus on my health issues, but I will still. So I'm using this. Maybe I'll have my ideas, and instead of recording, I may use voiceover, to convey my ideas, or post my ideas through community post. Okay, but yeah, I'll do my best to keep you updated about the latest trends in gold and silver mining sector. Thank you for watching, and thank you for being with me. Like and share my videos, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.